So we're starting multiplexer today. Okay. So what is basically a multiplexers or multiplexer? So multiplexer is basically a data selector. Okay. So it is a data selector. Now what do you mean by data selector? So basically it acts like a switch. For example, say you have a many inputs and you have a only one channel. You want to reach all inputs to one channel. Okay, so you are many signals are coming or many inputs are coming, and you want these inputs to go in a single channel. That is it's a device or switch which has many inputs where you can apply many signals, but the output is only one. So each input has to go to the same channel or same output. Okay, for example, this is a many inputs. So you say it has many inputs. So basically it has a 2 power m inputs. Okay, and there is a only one output where we take the function output y or o. Okay, you can say o also. This is the output. Now out of these many inputs, okay, so input generally we represent by I0, I1, I2, okay, like this. And or sometime we represent by 0, 1, 2, 3, like this. Inputs are there, input points are there where you have to give some values and you'll get output here. Now I want this all input should come here with my choice. Okay, so there are some where there are 2 inputs, you require m select lines. Okay, you require m select lines. Now depending using this select line, you can choose which input will arrive to the output. Okay, and these select lines are called A, B, C, D. Okay, so this is the multi-input device switch, multi-input switch. Okay, switch with one output channel. Okay, so this is called your multiplexer. For example, if you have a 2 inputs, okay, you have a 2 inputs, say I0 or I1. Sometimes this is represented by 0, 1 also. Okay, either it will be given like this or it will be written like this. Okay, then you need one select line, and select line you can write A, B, C, D, or you can write S3, S2, S1, S0 also like this. Okay, so if you have a 2 inputs, you require one select line. So for the time being, I'm writing this as S0. Okay, first select line, and you have one output. Now how to I told this is a data selector. Now how this will choose the input, which input should come here. Okay, so for example, the internal circuit of this multiplexer, this is called 2 into 1 multiplexer, because you have a 2 inputs and one select line. Okay, two inputs and one output. Similarly, there are 8 into 1 multiplexer, 16 into 1 multiplexer. So 2 into 1 multiplexer require one select line. Now we have to understand what is the internal structure of this multiplexer. So this will give the output in the form like this: I0 S0 bar plus I1 S0. Okay, S0. So if I draw I'm erasing this part. Okay, so first we'll understand the internal structure and we'll see the applications. Tell me when you return. Okay, तेज कुमार, चले आगे, राजवीर.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So now we'll see first 2 into 1 multiplexer. So 2 into multiplexer, there's two inputs. Okay, so there will be two AND gates. There will be two AND gates, and these inputs will be given to this AND gate. Okay, and there will be one OR gate. OR gate. The output of these two AND gate will go to the OR gate, and this will be your become Y. Okay. Now you have one select line. Okay. So this select line will be S. Now this is the I0. Okay. So S0 will come here. S0 bar will come here, and S directly will come here. S directly will come here. So here now if you want Y, so Y will be what? I0 S0 bar plus I1 S0. Now S is the select line. Okay. Now this is my S. So S can take value 0, S can take value 1. So when S is 0, okay, then output will be what? Tell me, what will the output? If S is 0, S0, I naught, very good. If S0 is 0, okay, then output will be the least, this is a one line only, so that is the least significant line. We'll discuss that one. So this is I naught. Similarly, if S0 is 1, then the output will be I1. Okay, so that is the way these select line select which input should lay down or should come to the channel. Okay, multi inputs. Okay, you have a choice which input you want to send to the output. Okay, like in communications, telephonic lines, okay, communication lines. Okay, if you dial the number, that will come, that will go here. So here is a select line. Okay, you choose the select line. Okay, select line will be having values, and depending on the values you can choose which input should come to the output. Okay, so this is your 2 into 1 multiplexer. 2 into 1 multiplexer. Okay, because of two inputs. Now similarly you have a 4 into 1 multiplexer. So you will having now 4 inputs, I0, I1, I2, I3, 4 inputs. Okay, now 4 inputs. Okay, that means 2 power 2 inputs. That means you require 2 select lines. Okay, so you can choose S0, S1 or AB. Okay, now for example, tell me.
सर एक बार ये सर्किट दोबारा रिपीट कर दूं।
ये सर्किट में क्या है, इस इसका जो भी पहले तो सर्किट ड्रॉ करो और फिर आउटपुट लिखना चाहिए ना, ठीक है, बट हमने क्या है समझने के लिए पहले आउटपुट लिख दिया। इसका आउटपुट कैसा आता है, एस कैन टेक 0 और वैल्यू। ओके, 0 और 1। ओके, अब ये क्या है, यहाँ पर S0 0 है तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, S0 की वैल्यू 0 है तो ये क्या यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा 1। यहाँ से क्या आएगा I0 S0 का बार। ओके, यहाँ से क्या आएगा आपका I1 S0 S0। ओके, सम क्या, द सम आउटपुट और गेट है, सम क्या हो जाएगा I0 S0 प्लस I1 S0। now if S0 is 0, this become 1, this becomes 0। okay, so you got only Y equal to what, I0। so if I say my S0 is 0, okay, then my output is I0, so this will come to here। if S0 is 1, then Y will be this, S0 is 1, so this part, this is a complement, so this becomes 0, this whole power, this whole becomes 0, so you got Y equal to I1। okay,
yes sir।
अभी 4 का देखते हैं। now let us understand the 4 into 1 multiplexer। so you have two inputs, you require 2 AND gates। you have 4 inputs, you require 4 AND gates। now let us draw the 4
Sir?
into 1। tell me।
Inside that mux box, we writing I0 0. Why we writing like that?
That's the way of writing। see, this is the first input, this is the second input। okay, like this is in inputs, so input will be from, say, suppose there is a 8 inputs। okay, so you write this from 0 to 7। okay, so first input means with this input you have S0 bar connected। okay, for example, now I'll say 4 into 1 multiplexer। 4 into, this is the representation। okay, first input, second input, third input, 4 input, like AND gates। Okay. So we say this 0 gate, 1 gate, 2 gate, 2 and third AND gate. Now for example, if I want to make 4 into 1 multiplexer, if you're getting confused, you can remove this one also. Okay. So generally, this will be given, or if this is not given, the here this will not be given, and then 0 1 will be given. So you should understand these are inputs. Okay. So now 4 into 1 multiplexer means there will be 4 inputs. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this 4 input will be like this. Okay. I0, I1, I2, I3. I can draw like this, or I can simply I can draw like this. 4 input means 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now values I don't know. Here values I know. Okay. Values, whatever values will be put here. Okay. The same way you can represent like this or like this. The same thing. So now this require how many select lines? Tell me.
2 select lines.
2 select lines. Okay. So I am taking A and B. Okay. You can take S1, S0 also. Like 1, we took S0, S1, S0, or AB. Okay. And this will be your Y. Okay. Now A and B can have a how many combination? 4 combination, na? 2 variables.
Yes, sir.
So 4 combination. So these 4 combination will be attached with these inputs. Okay. So A bar, B bar, like you have your 2 table. Okay. You have A, you have B, and then you finally output. And a circuit you can have a 0 0 0 1 1 0, and you have a 1 1. Okay. Now this 0 0 will be connected here. 0 1 will be connected here. I1. This is 2 will be connected to 2, 3 will be connected to 3. Okay. Now see the internal structure. So internal structure will be 4 AND gates. If you have 4 inputs, there will be 4 AND gates. I0, I1, I2, I3. Okay. And now your 2 select lines. So select lines are A and B. A and B. Okay. So here it will go 0 0. First input means 0 input. This is 0 input. 0 1 2 like this. Okay. Starting from 0. So 0 input means 0 0 will go. 0. So L will be NOT gate, inverter. You can put directly dot also. And B will also get inverted. Okay. Or you can make here separate line for inverter, and then you can choose the lines to go here. Similarly, sorry, this should go to first 0 0 here. It should go to here. Okay. So I am putting a dot here directly, na? I am putting dot here. After inversion, this is going inside inverter A B. Now here what you want? You want this 1. So you want 0 1. Okay. So A should be. So say this is my A line. Okay. This is my A line. And A line will go here after getting inverted 0 1 after getting inverted, and B line will go as it is. Okay. You can put NOT gate here. Now this is 2 1 0. That means my A should go as it is 1 0. A should go 1, and this should go as a complement. So this will go here complement. This is B 1 0, and now 1 1. So both should go like this. Okay. So this will come. So what will come here? This will come I0, A bar, B bar. Here it will come I1, A bar, B, and here I2 into A, B bar, and here come I3, A, B. Now you have OR gate. This will all get add up. Okay. And the output will come what? Y equal to, output will come Y, and Y will be what? Y will be equals to I0, A bar, B bar, I1, A, B, then I2, A, B bar, and I3, A, B. Okay. Now you have 4 combinations. You choose the select line accordingly. That output will come to here. Okay. Now if you choose 0 0, कौन सा output आएगा इधर? Which output will come here? If you choose 0 0,
I0 can come here.
If you choose 0, 1,
I1.
I1 will come, I2 will come, or other term will become 0. Okay.
I3.
I3. So this is a basically data selector. You can choose which input should come here depending on the select line. Okay. Similarly, you can draw 8 into 1 multiplexer. 8 into multiplexer will be 3 variables A, B, C. So this is your most significant digit MSB. This will be your LSB or LSD. This will be MSD, MSD or MSB. Okay. So that you have to remember. So now you can, I think you can draw any if I say draw 8 into 1 multiplexer, you can easily draw 16 into 1 multiplexer, you can draw the circuit. Okay. So this is a 4
Yes,
into,
sir.
okay. Now let me write for just one more 8 into 1 multiplexer. 16 into 1 multiplexer you can do yourself. Okay. 8 into 1 multiplexer. So let us draw now 8 into 1 multiplexer. इसको erase कर दो ना?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir,
Tell me.
that A should be always connected to more significant bit.
Which A?
In that 4 into 1 mux. There you written A is MSB and B is LSB.
Must like always any function, this A variable is the most significant digit. Okay, like here na we are counting 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So in this 4 digit, which is MSB? A is MSB na? Counting for A. Okay. Like
Okay.
whenever you make input number, you will make with start with A. A will be okay. You can't say this is 1 0. This is 0 1. Okay. So
Okay.
combination I'm saying. So when the number you write, this is the because it's coming first. This is the MSB.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now, for example, if I want to write 8 into 1 multiplexer. Okay. So 8 into 1 multiplexer. You have a one output. Okay. And you have a 8 inputs. Okay. So I'm writing now 0 1. So you should understand this is also way 2 3 4 up to 7. Sometimes this will be like this only, this way also. So there are 8 inputs. 0 input, 1 input, 2 input, 3 4 5. Okay. And select lines are 3 lines: A, B, C.
C.
Okay. And the table will be what? A, B, C, and there will be output here. Okay. 0 0 0 0. Okay. 1 1 1 1. 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. Okay. 0 1 0
0 1 0 1.
Okay. So this is the select lines. Okay. And the output expression will be what? This is A bar, B bar, C bar, like min terms. You write all 8 min terms. Okay. So I naught into A bar,
B bar, C bar.
A bar, B bar, C bar, and I1
Plus
equals
I1.
Tell me.
A bar, B bar, C.
C, very good. Similarly, I2 will be
Plus I2. A bar, B, C bar.
C bar. I3.
I3.
A, B
A
bars.
bar, B, C.
This is all min terms I'm writing. I4. Okay. I4. This is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 4. This is already 4, na? I would write 3. So 0, 1, 1.
Yes, sir.
0, 1,
Yes,
1.
sir. You have written wrong.
0, 1, 1. Okay. Now
Oh, yes, sir.
A, B
B
bar,
bar, C
C
bar.
bar. Okay. I5. 1, 1, 0,
A,
1.
B bar, C.
I6 will be A,
B,
C bar.
B, C bar.
And I7 will be A, B, C.
A, B, C.
Okay. So now there will be 8 AND gates. Each input will have a, you can see the expression, and now you can draw a circuit. So the circuit is your homework. Okay. And output, okay. Now depending on the if you choose A, B are 0 0 0, you get I0. Circuit will give you I0, it will give you I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6, I7. Okay, so this is the working of multiplexer. Now what is the use? I already told you that you can choose which data should go to the channel first. Okay, you can select the data. Now there are some more applications that we'll discuss. So the first application, the important application is, it is also a universal gate. Okay, so you can implement any function using multiplexer. Okay, so this is you can implement logic function implement. Okay, logic function can be implemented. Okay, any logic function can be implemented using multiplexer. Okay, so for example, if I have a 2 variable function, okay, then which multiplexer should I use? 2 into 1 or 4 into 1 if I have a 2 variable function?
2 into 1.
4 into 1. Okay, because the select lines are variable. Okay, if you have a 1 variable function, okay, you can choose 2 into 1 multiplexer. If you have a 2 variable function, okay, then you should use 4 into 1. Okay, if a 3 variable function,
Yes.
you should 8 into
8
1
into 1.
multiplexer. For example, I want to implement this function using multiplexer A, B, C. Okay, summation M 0 1 2 6 7. This function I want to implement. Okay, using multiplexer. So what is the circuit? So here you can write M variable function requires okay 2 into M into 1 mux. Okay, you can do with lower mux also, that will be also see. Okay, so first we'll learn M variable function, okay, using 2 into 1 mux. Okay, you could like this M variable function. Okay, implementation of M variable function using 2 power M into 1 mux. Okay, so here we have 3 variables, so I will use how many 8 into 1 mux. Okay, so let us draw 8 into 1 mux. 8 into 1 mux. Okay, so there will be I0, I1, 2, these are inputs, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Total 7 inputs are there. Okay, and this is my output Y. Okay, now if I 3 variable means A, B, C, 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. Okay, 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0, and then you have a 1 1 1. Okay, now function is what? Function is output is what? Y or function. Okay, here value is what? 0 0 present, so this is 1. 1 is present, so this is 1. 2 is present, so this is 1. Then this is 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6 is 1, and 7 is 1.
1.
Okay. So these minterms are present. So which are present, I am putting 1. Which are not present, I am not present, I am putting 0. Okay. Now just to see the terms which is present. Okay. So the term which is present, that is high voltage. You connect those term with high voltage. For example, this 0, 0 you connected with what? 0 should be connected with 1. Okay. This should be connected with 1 and 2. These 3 terms should be connected to 1, and then last 6, 7. 6, 7. All these terms should be connected. Okay. Connected to 1. All these terms should be connected to 1. Okay. Or you say all these connected are with high voltage is 1. You can write here also 1 high voltage, or you connect all the terms with a single high voltage 1. Okay. And with the terms which are not which is not present here, you connected with ground 0. Okay. You just terms which is not connected. Okay. So actually this should not confuse. Okay. This is coming out of this one term. This is coming like this. Okay. Similarly, this 6 is present. Yes, so 6 is coming here. Okay. So this is the way. So these, out of this 8 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 is connected to 1, and remaining terms are connected to 0. And now I say that this circuit is implementing this function. Okay. That means I should get this function. Okay. So let us write the output. Now 8 into 1 multiplexer output is what? I0, ABC, A bar, B bar, C bar. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then I have I1,
I1, A bar, B bar, C.
B bar, C, I2,
I2,
A bar,
bar.
B, C bar. Okay.
Yes,
I3,
sir.
A bar, B, C,
Mm.
I4, A, B bar, C
B
bar,
bar, C bar.
I5,
A,
A,
B bar,
C,
B bar, C.
I6, A,
A, B, C
C
bar.
bar, and C bar, and I7 is A, B, C.
B,
Okay.
C.
Now just put the values. I putting here 1, which are the 0, you put 0 here, and which are 1, you put 1. So only their inputs are only 0 or 1, high voltage and low voltage. Okay. So when I put this one, okay, so what I'll get? I'll
A
this
bar, B
this
bar,
term
C bar.
this term will be remaining A bar, B bar,
B bar,
C bar.
C bar.
Okay. Even you don't write like this, you can directly say that my term is what? 0. Like this you can write. So this is a function. So this is A bar, B bar, C bar, and then 1 will be 1 present, A bar, B bar,
B
C
bar,
present,
C.
I2 also present. So A bar,
A,
B,
B.
C bar present.
Yes,
I3
sir.
is not there, so this will become 0. You want to put 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0, whole 0, this whole becomes 0, then 6 is there, then A, B, C bar is present, and 7, A, B, C is present. So this output is what? Basically what? M equals to 0, 1, 2, 6, 7. Yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
so this is so for this Boolean function, this is the circuit. So this circuit is giving the output exactly this one. So you can get any function, and you can get any function with multiplexer just by choosing correct input value. Okay. So if a 3 variable function, you require 8 into 1 mux. If a 2 AB is AB, then you require 4 into 1 mux. Okay. See, there's a 1 variable function, you require 2 into 1 multiplexer. So like this, I can implement any function using multiplexer. Okay, we'll see one more example and then see what we can do more. So now you have to draw the circuit. Okay, so just I'm asking to so exam, the question will be there, this question will be there, and the full circuit will be short circuit will be given, and they'll ask you which circuit is correct. Then you have to identify. Okay, just they will put, there will be 1 or 0 if it is 8 into 1 multiplexer. Is that point clear?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to erase. Shall I erase this one?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm giving you a question. You draw the circuit. Okay. You have to draw the circuit. So pi ABC equals to pi m 0, 1, 4, 5. Okay. And draw the circuit. Multiplexer circuit. So this is three variable function. So you have to use 8 into 1 multiplexer. First see the variables and choose the multiplexer. So only the question is very simple. You have to make 8 inputs. 8 inputs 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of this will be which will be 1 and which will be 0. Just tell me. Okay. So I'm just putting here I0. Okay. You tell me values. I0, I1 values. I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6, I7. So tell me values of I0. What is I0? I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6, I7. Okay. Now this is implementing SOP. So you have to bring this in SOP form. Okay. That do not do mistake, because this is connecting the output in SOP form. So you have to bring this in SOP form. So SOP form will be what? Summation m is equal to 0 is 1 is 2 is
2,
not there. 3,
3, 6, 7.
7.
6, 7.
Okay. That means 2 will be connected by 1. 3 will be connected by 1.
1,
6 will be 1.
6 and
7.
7.
Everything will be 0.
0.
That's it
Grounded.
only. That's it. So you take I0. Okay. I0 and I0, then I1, these two connected, and then I0, I1, then I2 is not there. Okay. Then I3 is not there. Then I4 is there. I5 is there. I6 is not there. I7 is not there. These all term will be grounded. Okay. And remaining terms. Okay. These terms. I1, sorry, I2. I1 is 0. Yeah, I1 also 0. This is also 0 connected. Okay. So I2, I3, and then I6,
And I7.
I7, these connected to 1
1.
high voltage. Okay. So plus 1. Okay. You can write here also, top also. The high means high voltage. Okay. VCC, battery 5 volt, 10 volt. So now this way you can implement any function. Okay, it is 3 variable function. Okay, I can change this min terms, 2 variable function, then you do 4 into I can add 4 into, then also you can write. Okay, so this is easy. Now so up to this is easy. Okay, now we have to little bit give twist. So I'm giving you one homework. You have to draw a circuit and tell me the answer. Okay, so say I'm giving you a question, y equal to AB. Okay, so m equal to 0, 3, 5. 5 will not be there. 0, 3. Okay, and I'm giving you y, a, b, c, d, and then you can write M 0 2 7 9 15. Okay, because this will be 16 terms, 0 to 15. This will have a term 0 to 3. This is 1 and this is 2. This is your homework. So m variable function can be implemented with with 2 power m into 1 multiplexer very easily. Okay. Now what about if I want to I want to implement a m variable function with a lesser with lower multiplexer? Like if I want to, I have a 3 variable function. I want to implement this 3 variable function with I require 8 into 1 mux, but I want to implement this same by 4 into 1 mux. Okay, or I want to implement this is by 2 into 1 multiplexer. Okay, so how should I implement that one? That we will learn now. Okay, so the topic will be now implementing or implementation. Okay, implementation of 2 into m into 1 mux. Okay, using 2 power m minus 1 into mux 1 mux. Okay, like you want to suppose you have a 8 into 1 mux, you want to implement this is 4 into 1 mux. Okay, or you have a 4 into 1 mux, you want to implement 2 into 1 mux. You have a 16 into 1 mux, you want to implement it as a 8 into 1 mux. Okay, so this I want to implement using this I want to implement using this I want to implement using this. Okay, so that that we'll learn now. So I'm taking a question. It says a function a b c, okay, summation m 1 3 5 6, okay, implement following function using 4 into 1 mux. Okay, implement, okay, implement f abc using 4 into 1 mux multiplexer. So this is a 3 variable function. Okay, so how, so which multiplexer required to implement this one? Tell me. Which
8
multiple?
into 1.
8 into 1 require. But now he asking to implement. If you plot 8 into 1, 8 into 1 is very easy. You have to just give 0 or 1. But I have to implement now this ABC using 4 into 1 mux. Okay. So now what should I do? So for that, now if you're using 4 into 1 mux, then you have only 2 select lines. Okay, and here we have a three variables. So these 3 variables I cannot choose a select line. So the simple method is there. What I'll do, I'll take out of ABC, 2 as a select lines, either B C. This is MSB. MSB will go to input. Okay, or either I will choose A B and the LSD go to the input. And if you want say you say no, I want to send B to the input, I want to choose A and C my select line, and I want to see B to the input. Okay, that we can do. Okay, so for implementing 8 into 1 mux, okay, using 4 into 1 mux, okay, what I have to do? Okay, two variables, okay, a a and b, or a and c, or B and C. Okay, two variables are chosen as select lines, remaining remaining variable will go to the will be used in input, remember these things. Okay, now so now 8 into 1 multiplexer can be implemented using 4 into 1 mux using 3 manners. Okay, we learn all these 3 things. One is enough, but exam में questions तो कैसे भी आ सकता है, so we learn all the 3 ways. Okay, so let us do now first thing. So number 1, I am taking first case or first choice. Okay, I am choosing B and C as a select line. B and C as a select line. Okay, let us, we have to implement this function. So just use 4 into 1 multiplexer. Okay, I am writing this function here, A, B, C. Okay, and this is summation M1, 3, 5, 6. Okay, I am taking first case B and C as select lines, Okay, this is very easy. Now I want to implement this function, so I can only use 4 into 1 mux. Okay, so I'll make the 4 into 1 multiplexer. Okay, so 4 into 1 multiplexer is how many inputs? Okay, I0, I1, I2, I3, or you can write 0, 1, 2, 3, and you have one output. Now I'm choosing B and C as select line. This is my B and this is my C, and A will go to the input. Okay, now only I want to know what is I0, I1, I2, I3, so that I should get this one. So this is very easy. Okay, so your 3 variable function. Okay, 3 variable function, you say 3 variable function. So I will show you, I will show you the shortcut. First I'll tell you detail method, then I'll show you shortcut. Okay, A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C, and you have output F or Y, or you say F. Here I written F, so I select F here, F. Okay, now you have 8 inputs, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, and 1, 1, 0, and you have a 1, 1, 1. So you have 8 choices, 8 combination of select lines. Okay, but now here 1, 3, 5, 6 are present. So 1 is present, this is 0. 3 is present or no? 3 is no, this is 0. 3 is present, yes. 4 is not present. 5 is present, yes. 6 is also present, yes. 7 is not present. Okay, now I have to say this element I have to send to the input. Okay, so now what should I do? Okay, because I cannot make this table now, because now this is my select line. So now once this is my select line, I have only choice what? I have choice B, C only. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. A is not available to me. A is not available to me. Okay, now what should I do? Now just look at here. Now see, A is not there. Okay, so you have a 0, 0. Okay, so 0, 0 is coming how many places? This is 0, 0. Okay, this is 0, 0, and where it is 0, 0? This is 0 0 BC. Don't see other things. BC. This is 0 0. I want 0 0. So 0 0 is here. Yes, 0 0 is here. Okay. Now for this 0 0, what is the value of f? Tell me. 0.
0.
And here also is 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
When you take the all combination and everything has a 0, that means this 0 0 value is 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that means this is I naught. Now this is two variable function, so this is 0 0. Basically this is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. You connect this to 0. What I said, you check, you want 0 0. Where is 0 0? This is 0 0. This is 0 0. Okay, and for 0 0, what is the value of this one? 0 0 0 0. You put 0. Okay, now you come to the 0 1. I'll show you the shortcut also. Okay, now you come to the 0 1. Okay, where is 0 1? This is 0 1. This is 0 1. And where is 0 1? This is 0 1. What is the value of f?
1.
1?
Yes, sir.
1. So here you put 1. So this 1 will come here. 0 will be connected to 1. Okay. The next is 1 0. This is 1 0. This is 1 0. And where is 1 0? This is 1 0. So what is happening? 1 0 mein kya hai? F is what?
0 and 1 different values.
Different values. Very good. Different values. Whenever different value is there, then your input will be here either A or A bar. Okay. Now you go to the 1 0. 1 0. This is 1 0. So when F is 0, A is 0. Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And when F is 1, A is also 1.
Yes,
Same
sir.
thing. Same thing. Not
Yes, sir.
not complemented. That means now your F is equal to A, and 1 0 will go to the A.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Similarly, you now you tell me 1 1. Okay. For 1 1, what should be there? F value 1 1.
A bar.
A
A
bar.
bar.
Very good. So this is F1 1. Here's a 1, but this is 0 opposite. 1 1. This is 0, but this is opposite 1. That means A is connected to A bar. Okay. So this is connected to A bar. Now when you solve this one, automatically you get this function. Let us see how. Okay. So I'm keeping this table here. Okay. So I will show you one simpler method also that you can do very quickly. Okay. But this is a method. We can choose like this. Okay. I hope you understand the method. Yes or no? Okay. Now let us solve this one. So basically, what is this one? This output is what? BC output, you know, it is I0, B bar, C bar for 4 into 1 mux, I1, 0, 1, B, C, 0, 1. Okay. So 0, C, and 1, 0, I2, B, C bar, and I3, B, C. Okay. So I0 is 0, put 0 here. So this term becomes 0. Okay. I0, 0. And this is 1. So I got Y equal to what? B bar C. Okay.
Yes.
I2 is what? A, B, C bar. And I3 is what?
A bar BC.
A bar B, C. Okay. So this term is written all the value. This is SOP form. This is A is not there. So you can put A here, A plus A bar.
A
You can
plus
add.
A bar.
Okay. So this become A bar B, A. So A bar B bar C plus A, B bar C plus A, B C bar plus A bar B C. Okay. Now this is what? 0 0 1. This is M1. Okay. This is what? 0 0 1. This is what? 1 0 1. This is what? 1 1 0. And this is what? This is your
1 0
0
0.
0 1 1. Okay. So this is the 1%, 5%, 6%, 3%. So this function is basically what? This function which is required is M equals to 1 3 5 6. This is just what you're checking. Okay, you're just checking whether this output is equal to this or not. You don't require to check. Okay, just you have finished your job here. But just put, if your time in exam, you can check back and you see the same is coming. So this circuit is implementing this function. Clear? Is that clear? This point is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So we have to
Tell me.
find y.
Huh?
Y is equal to b bar c. B bar plus a
This
bar
one.
bc.
This one.
Okay, sir.
So this is always true, na? See,
Yes, sir, yes.
multiple output always you can write like this. If it is a one select line, then I0 S bar, I1 S1, I0 S0. If it's a two input, then you have I0. Okay, this B bar C bar, B1 C1, like this only, and you have values. Then you put this values here, and you get the same output here. Okay. Now I'll tell you a simple method to do this one. Okay. First you write this one, then I will show you a shortcut. Okay. So the shortcut is what? You just make a K map. Okay. You have 8 entries, 1, 2, 3. But you have only 2 select lines. Put BC here, remaining A, which is go to input right here. Okay. Now this is 0, 0, 0, 1. This is your. Now don't follow K map. Just you write entries, because here I don't want to see the neighboring term. So you should not write 1, 1 here. You can write in this manner only. Okay. If you write then also there will be no issue. Okay. Now this is 0 and this is 1. So this term is, this is place is for 0, 0. So this is 0. This is what 0, 0, 1. This is 0, 1, 0. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. So there total 8 terms are there. Okay. Now you whichever term is present, you encircle there. So 1 is present, you encircled 1. Okay. 3 is present, you encircle 3. 5 is present, you encircle 5. 6 is present, you encircle 6. Okay. Now your job is done. Whichever term is present here, you just encircle that one. Okay. So this is basically your A bar, and this is your A. Okay. Now your actual job is to find 0, 0 connected to what? 0, 0 connected to what? Okay. So you have to see case number 1. If in this column in 0, 0 kernel, or no term is encircled, no term or no min term is encircled, no min term is encircled and circled, then give I naught, which is given. Okay. Then that input, then connect to 0. If all, second case, if all min terms are encircled, if all, here 2, if all min terms, so this will be connected to 0. If all min terms are encircled or present, encircled, then connect input to 1. So both are connected, you put 1 here. Okay. Now suppose one is only 1 is connected, then what you can do? You have to connect this one with A, corresponding A. So this will go to the, okay. So for example here, this 0, 0 connected to 0, 0 is correct. Then 0, 1 is connected to 1. This is 1 connected. Okay. Now 1, 0, what should I connect? 1, 0 should be connected by the corresponding. You have to see this column. Okay. This encircled part is towards A. Okay. So the value for this is for value for this is A value is for 1. So this will be connected to A. Okay. Similarly for this part. Okay. 1, 1. So 1, 1 will be connected to your this part 0. A bar. Okay, so I'll give you one more question, then you understand quickly. Okay. So otherwise, case third will be means you have to choose A and A bar. Okay, case third. Okay, choose A or A bar. So I'll give you a question, then you will have a confidence. Okay, so hmm. Shall I raise this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll give you one question. You have to do it. Okay, you can choose shortcut method. That is good. It will faster. And the actual method also I told you. So FABC, FABC, okay, is M1247. Okay, implement using 4 into 1 mux. So 8 into 1 mux is easy. You just put a 0 and 1. But now you have to implement using 4 into 1 mux. Implement and tell me the value of I0, I1, I2, I1, I2, I3. Tell me the values. So once you learn one time, then it is easy, very easy for you. 1247 implement using 4 into 1 mux. Just make the 4 into 1 mux. 4 into 1 means there's a 4 entries. Okay. I0, I1, I2, I3, and you can choose A as a input and B and C select lines. You can choose B and C select lines. Okay. B and C select line. Choose B and C as that will be given in the question. Okay. Select lines. So remaining A will go to the input.
So
Hmm.
I0 and I3 is connected to A.
I0 and I3 connected to A and
Yes, sir.
and I2
I1 and I2 is connected to A bar.
I1 and I2 connected to A bar. Let us check. Okay. So first, what is job? We'll make a map. Okay. How many entries should be there? 8, 4, 4. Okay. This is my select line. This is the variable which you want to choose variable. Keep it as and you can keep it alone. Okay. Now this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1.
1,
Okay.
1,
Write a terms. Terms is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
4,
6, 7. Okay.
6,
How you
7.
reading? You're reading like ABC. You're reading ABC. Okay. ABC 0,
Yes, sir.
0. That you should know how to read. That I already told you. Okay. On K map. Now encircled. 1 is encircled. 2, 2 is encircled. 4, 4 is encircled. 7, 7 is encircled. Okay. Now you have to see this is your A bar, this is your A. 0, 0 should be connected to what? A. 0, 1 should be connected. There is one input. One input should be connected to
A
what?
bar,
A bar.
A
Very good.
bar,
And this should be connected to what? To
A
A bar.
bar,
A bar. And 3 should be connected to A.
A.
Okay. So you told 0 and 1 A and this remaining A bar. Very good. It's correct. So this should be A. A3 should be A and this should be A bar and this A bar. And if you want to check, you can check the output. The same will come. Okay. Now you can check the output. Now checking output, what you have to do? Output will be always I0, B bar, C bar, I1, 0, 1, I2, 1, 0, I3, 1, 1.
Mhm.
Just put the values here. I0 is your A. So put A. I1 is your A bar. Put A bar. I2
A
is
bar,
your
A bar.
A bar, put A bar, and I3 is what your A.
A.
So this means this term is what? This is 1 0 0. Okay, this is 0 0 1. This is 0 1 0, and this is 1 1 1. So this is 7%, 2%, 1%, and 4%. That means this circuit is implementing this function. Now it becomes simple. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I told you that method also, main method how to do, and I told you shortcut method also. Okay. Let us do one more question. Other students are not replying, so I'll give one more question. So so far I am only taking as a uh, MSB as a select. MSB is the input, B and C the select line. You can in practical you can send B is here also. You can choose A and C select line. You can just C and A select line. The method remains the same. Okay, we'll learn that one also. Because exam में क्या आएगा? In exam, what exam they will not tell you put A, B, C. They will just give you the circuit like this. Okay, they'll say you which is implementing this function. Now here A can be there, B can be there. Then what will do? Okay, so that's why we have to learn everything. Either you can solve this one and you can see which is coming opposite way. You have a options, but you have to check each option. Then it will be difficult. Okay, solving this is difficult. So we will learn that method also. Now I'll give one more question. You quickly do it, and then I will tell you how to choose other select lines. Okay. Now other student has to reply. Okay. M 1 3 5 7. Okay. If you use 8 into 1 mux, it is easy. But I'm asking to implement using 4 into 1 mux. Implement. Now Rajvi, Shikha, so Swarpanika, you have to reply. Okay. So 4 into 1 mux, yeah, that means you have 4 inputs. I0, I1, I2, I3. Tell me the value Y. Tell me the value of inputs. That's it.
So,
Shivika, you wait for one minute. Let other reply.
Sir, all four are connected to one.
No. 1 3 5. Why can I give you 1 3 5 7? How can we all connect?
I1 and I3 connected to one.
I2 and
I1 and I3.
I1 and I3 connected to 1. Yes, and
I0 and I2 connected to 0.
very good. Okay. So okay. So you want to choose BC select line. This is BC select line. Okay. So 1 2 3 0 0. BC is there. 0 1 1 0 1 1. A is here. 0 and 1. This is A bar and A. 1 3 5 7 1. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 is easy. 1 encircled, 5 encircled, 7 encircled. That's it, na? 1 3 5 7. And what is there? Oh, 3 is also there. 3 encircled. So this is nothing is correct as encircled. So this is 0. So this will go 0. Okay. 0, 1, all are encircled, so this will go to 1, so this will go to 1. 2, nothing is circled, so it will go to 0. Okay, and 3, everything is both are encircled, so it will go to 1. So this is the answer. Okay, Shivika, is this correct?
Yes, sir, correct.
Oh, okay. Okay, now same question. Okay, I say I don't want select line BC. Now the same question I will implement here. This function, your A is not coming. Okay, so you can open and check whether this is a 1357 or not. Okay, this will come. Okay, that is your homework. You can open and you can check. Open and then bring in a standard form. This should come like this. Now same question I'm doing. I say I don't want BC. I want say AB. Okay, I want AB here, and I want to send C in the input. Okay, so the method is same. So I'm telling you a shortcut method, na, directly. You can do shortcut method, or you can do original method also. So shortcut method we are discussing. So now you want to choose what you say. My AB is my select line. Okay, so AB. So I'll go AB here. I'll go C here. Okay, I'll go like this. Okay, now this is 0 0. This is 0 1. This is 1 0. This is 1 1. Okay, now this is 0. This is 1. So this is C bar. This is C. Okay, so 0 0 0. This position is 0. 0 1 0. This position is 2. That only you have to be careful writing position. That's it only. 1 0 0. 1 0 0. This is 4. 1 1 0. This is 6. 0 0 1. This is a 1 0 1 1. This is 3. 1 0 1. This is the fifth position, and 1 1. This is seventh position. That's it. Now again the method remains the same. Okay, which terms are present? 1 is present, 3 is present, 5 is present, 7 is present. Okay, 7 is present. So 0 0 go to what? C. 0 1 goes to what? C. 1 0 goes to C. 1 1 goes to C. So everything will be connected to C, C, C like this, or you put a single C. Everything should be connected to C. 1 3 5 7. Everything should be connected to C. Okay. Now, if you want, you can open this one and you can check whether this is correct or not. So the output will be what? Output will be y equal to your I0, A bar, B bar, I1, A is 0 1. So 0 1, I2 will be 1 0 1
AB.
0, and I3 will be A B. I0 is C, so put C. This is also C, this is also C, and this is also C. Okay, so this is now 0 0 1. You have to put C basically here, because this is the LSD. Okay, so this is what? 0 0 1. So one term present. 0 1 1, 3 term present. 1 0 1, 5 term present, 7 present. So 1 3 5 7 present. This circuit is also correct. So here what you're doing, you're choosing second option. Okay, this is the choose A and B as a select line. Choose A and B as select line. You can choose, so you can send C there also. So in case question is this, and a circuit which is given, 4 option is given, where C is given in the input, then you have to understand that you have to bring C input, A B select line. Okay, जरूर नहीं कि ऑप्शन में A दे रखा हो, इधर C भी दे सकता है, तो you have to identify which is correct. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So this is a very simple question, but you should do it on one time. Now, same question, I will tell you, choose A and C as a select line, and B will go to the input. Tell me what is the answer. Same question. So now there C will not be there. Okay. Now A and C will be select lines. A and C will be select lines. Okay. So here that this graph will also change. Graph will also change. This will be your AC and this is B. Now this is little bit looking bad because you have to count ABC only. Counting will be ABC. Okay. This is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. This is 0 B bar and this is 1. This is B. Now counting should be this is 0 0 0. This position is 0. Okay. Now A is 0 and B is 0 and C is 1. This is the position 1. Okay. Now this is 1 0 0. This position is 4. Because you have to first read A, B, you have to read first A, then B, then C. Okay. Now here 1 0 1. This position is 5. Okay. Again I'm repeating. You have to first read A 0 0 0. Then 0 0 1. And 1 0 0. Okay. 1 0 0. Now 0 1 0 1 0 2. Okay. 0 1 1 3. 1 1 0 6 and then 1 1 7. This is the position. So position change. That's the only thing. Okay. Last thing, everything says you are can select. 1 is present, 3 is present, 5 is present, 7 is present. Okay. Now 0 0 will go to this is 0 0 0 0 position. Okay. Input AND gate. Okay. So this will go to the 0. This will go to the 1. This is go to 0. This will go to the what's the value? 1. Now put it values. So that means B disappeared. Now I'll put here, say this is 0. I'll put this is 1. I'll put this is 0 and this is 1. So B is not coming. No issue. Okay. Write the output and should come like this. Y will be what? Tell me Y will be what? I00, I1. So A bar C into 1 plus AC into 1. So this is the yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, but now you have to make a standard form A B plus B bar. So B C A bar B bar C. Okay, A B C plus A B bar C. Standard form. Again, read out 1 or some sorry 0 1 1 3%, 0 0 1 1%, 0 0 1 1%. Okay, this is what 117%, 1117%, and this is what
10.
1015%. So that means this circuit also correct. Okay, so you can choose anything in the select line and this one. Okay, now I'll give you one question, you have to send me. If you do that one, then this thing will be clear to you. Okay, let me give you the question. Just 1 minute. Zero 247 0247. Okay, implement using 4 into 1 mux. Okay, implement using 4 into 1 multiplexer. Okay, and then number 1 case. Okay, So first, when A and B are select line are connected to select line, all three cases, three circuits, select line. Okay. Second case, when A and C are connected to select line, and the third case, when B and C are connected to select line. All the three circuit you have to send me. If you do this one, this topic is ready for exam, and we'll see how problems coming in exam. Tomorrow we'll see the how problems you can solve this problem very easily if you know this one. Okay, so I'm stopping here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.